Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session 4, and in this session you will learn how to connect letters and make words. Okay, so in this session I'll give you some of the words and you need to practice them to write them in connected format. Okay, so I write them here. Okay, the first one is like this one, and as you studied earlier that dal has only independent and final form. So in these letters dal cannot connect itself to alif, so this word remains the same. This word will remain the same, so don't need to connect it, and it wouldn't connect because dal don't have any other form, like it has only independent and final form. So the word is this whole word with these letters dal alif, it is called da, and fluently we pronounce it dada. Okay, all right, next word for you. So it has noon, dal, alif and noon, and this word is called, in a connected format, it is called nadan. Sorry, I write it incorrectly. Sorry, wait. Just put one more alif into it and it is completed. The word is called nadan. It has noon, alif, dal, alif and noon. It is called nadan. Try writing it in connected format. Okay, and you can check the answers at the end of this session. Okay, so the word is called nadan. The second word, it is called nadan. I write it another word for you. It has three alphabets, three letters, Be, Alif and Re, and this word is called bar. Okay, write another word for you. It has four alphabets, Z, Be, Alif and Noon, and it is called zaban. Okay, and next word has these alphabets, Pe, Alif and Re, and it is called par. Okay, I pronounce all these for you again. The first one is dada, then it's nadan, then it's bar, then it's zaban, then it's par. Okay, try to write them in a connected format, and then you can compare your connected words with the answers which I'm going to write now. Okay, so the answers for these letters are, the first one will remain the same, it is called dada. The second one will be look like this one in connected format, it is called nadan. Okay, and after that it's bar, and it would be look like this one. Okay, then it's zaban, and the last one look like this one, and it is called par. Okay, and that's it for today's session. Wish you best of luck till the next session, and Allah Hafiz.